In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade options on ThinkorSwim. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to open up the ThinkorSwim app, and then up here up top, you want to go to the setup at the very top right, and you want to click on Open Setup Wizard. Now here you're going to see a few different workspace setups, and the one we're looking for right now is over here, the sixth one, bottom right, where it says Options. So just click on Options over here, and then click on Next. You can set your font size, your spacing over here. You can use the system's font, and you can also use the color scheme, so either the dark one or the bright one over here. Now, once you select that, click on Next, and then you can watch some tutorials if you want to, but if you are ready, you can just click on Get Started, and ThinkorSwim will kind of restart, so it's going to basically close down and reopen up, and as you can see over here, a setup, which is basically ready to trade options, has now opened up. Now, here, of course, you have a bunch of different things, and you can go ahead and trade. You can use it for whatever you want and trading options as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.